student, I am Alia. I will teach you grammar for class 4. This is your prescribed book for class 4. In my previous video, I told you about the sentence. Let's recall what is a sentence. A group of words which gives us a complete sense is called a sentence. Now, I will teach you about the kinds of sentences. There are three kinds of sentences. First one is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences ask questions and always end with a question mark. Like, did you like it? Did you read the book I gave you? So in the end, the question mark come because they have asked you the question. Now the second one is assertive sentences. Assertive sentences state or tell us something. They always end with a full stop. See here, I just finished reading it. Full stop is here. Yes, I loved it. Full stop is here. Now the third kind is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences give us order or make a request. Like, Kate, you must read this book too. Now it is the request. It is the order. Sam, please pass the book to her. It is a request. Now see the exercises. First exercise, what kind of sentences are these? Take the correct option. First one, two options are given here. We learned about a new country in class today. So, two options are here, imperative or assertive. So, this is the assertive sentence. Second one, share your toys with your brother. It is what? Imperative sentence. Third, Penny can speak 4 languages. What it is? It is assertive sentence. I have finished my homework. It is assertive sentence. He is the leader of the group. Again assertive sentence. Get into the car right away. It is imperative sentence. So I will give you now here I am explaining you all the exercises, but I will give you the written answers in the WhatsApp group. Second exercise, complete these sentences, place a full stop or a question mark at the end. One has been done for you. First one, I like to read comic books. Second, Katie loves going to market. Where is your book? Please pass me the glass. Have you seen my shirt? Don't be late for school. Dogs like to bark. Switch off the TV and go to sleep. These are the exercises. Now, positive and negative sentences. Sentences can be positive or negative. See the example. For our team played well yesterday. It is positive. Negative. Our team did not play well yesterday. Positive sentences are also called affirmative sentences. Positive sentences end with a full stop. Positive sentences do not have the words no or not in them. Negative sentences have the words no or not in them. So you got the difference between them. Positive sentences, they don't have the words no or not in them, but the negative, whenever the no or not is there, recognize it like a negative sentence. Now the exercise is here. Write P for positive and N for negative sentences. Pet wants to talk to N. It is positive sentence because no is not here. I practice playing the violin every morning. It is also positive. There are no jobs for you right now. It is negative because no is here. Alice works for a car company. It is positive. She does not like to sing for an audience. Negative. My brother knows a few magic tricks. It is positive. So all the exercises I have discussed with you, but I will give you the written answers on the WhatsApp group. Now I will give you some notes also regarding this chapter. Standard 4th English Language Chapter 2 Kinds of Sentences. First one, interrogative sentences. Sentences that ask questions are called interrogative sentences and always end with a question mark. To interrogate means to put questions like where is your house? how are you, and where do you live. All these sentences end up in the question mark, so that's why it is interrogative sentences. Now the assertive sentences. Sentences that make a statement or tell something are called assertive or declarative sentences. Such sentences end with a full stop. Now imperative sentences. The word imperative means urgent or essential calling for immediate attention. Sentences that express commands, suggestions, advice or make requests are called imperative sentences. In these sentences, the subject you is not written. Got this point? See again, in these sentences, the subject you is not written. It is hidden over. See the example. Please give me a pencil. Come and sit here. You is hidden here. Get out of the room. You is hidden here. Okay. Now these are the notes for your kinds of sentences. So you can read it again and again so that you can get it well, and I will give you again the written answers on the WhatsApp group.